A required torque driver goes missing in a work cell. MetriPlane turns that physical event into a report, an evidence bundle, and a regression test. This is MetriPlane v0.2.0, a DOI-archived open-source release for physical observability in bounded work cells. Robotics and manufacturing systems often have cameras, logs, dashboards, and simulators. But they still need a simple way to answer. What physically happened? What proves it? And can we replay it? MetriPlane converts calibrated replay or camera state into physical events, incidents, evidence bundles, human-readable reports, and generated regression tests. The reproduction path is camera-free. A reviewer can install the release and run the doctor check without any special hardware. The v0.2.0 release gate records 580 passing tests. For the video, the important part is the final result, not the full test scroll. Deterministic replay checks that the same recorded physical state produces the same result across runs, 0 positional difference and 0 event mismatches. Now, the v0.2.0 evidence review workflow runs an assembly cell scenario. The run produces 6 physical events and 1 incident. The cell truth report explains the event in human terms. The torque driver was absent, the process waited 35 seconds, and incident INC0001 was generated. That incident is not just a line in a log, it becomes a portable evidence bundle. The bundle verifies locally. It contains the incident, timeline, checksums, report, replay command, and supporting evidence needed for review. The same incident also becomes a generated physical regression test. A physical event can now be reused as a repeatable software check. The release is published on GitHub, archived on Zenodo, and external reproduction feedback is tracked publicly in Issue 6. MetriPlane is intentionally bounded. It is observe-only, no robot control, no safety certification, no people recognition, and no marker-free tracking claim. If you work in robotics, simulation, manufacturing, digital twins, or research software, please run the camera-free path and comment on Issue 6. Critical feedback is more useful than praise.